Welcome to the North Building on MCC Sidney campus. This building is home to the Centurion Athletics Fitness Center. Here you can find tons of equipment that is readily available to all Centurion student athletes. Towards the back of the building, there is a full swing kit golf simulator. This software is the officially licensed simulator of the PGA Tour. As we leave the North Building and enter the Activities Building, you'll see the Athletics office to your left. This is where you can find Athletic Director Hunter Redman and Assistant Athletic Director Amanda Glaza. Additionally, MCC has a newly renovated gym where practices, home volleyball games, and basketball games are played. There is also another fitness center that is open to all MCC students, employees, and the public. And although we don't show it here, there is a pool in the Activities Building for athletes to train in or use just for fun. Interested in becoming a Centurion athlete? Learn more at montcalmcenturions.com.